Hello guys, welcome to tip of the day. Today's tip is do not disturb feature. Let's go and check it out. Now we are discussing about do not disturb mode on the iOS 11, and this is not new feature in this OS, but we also exist this in the previous versions. And the new update for this feature is about when the user is on a drive, it helps to notify the person whoever calls or messages or texts him during his drive, and it helps to drop a message to the person, particularly whoever calls to the user as he's on a drive. Call later. And we'll see some settings regarding this feature. Moving to settings, moving to do not disturb. Some more settings over here regarding the activation of do not disturb mode while driving. By default it has been selected while manually, and we have two more options over here, like automatically and when connected to car Bluetooth. My best suggestion to use automatically. It helps the user to drive home safely, and that's a very cool feature and very good.
Hey guys, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.